Hello everyone, it's Magasan Fjord, and today it's cold in Lithuania, -10, and so what we have here is March 7th, and the temperature is -10, and so it's quite cold. It's quite cold, and you can see there is a very beautiful landscape. So I'm driving on Skoda Octavia 2022 September, and this is the car I bought directly from the partner, Skoda partner in Lithuania, in Šiauliai, and so I paid, and this is a diesel 2.0, 110 kilowatts, and and also automatic gear. Yes, so we have here a start stop. We have like there is a lot of interesting stuff here, and also the maps. This is how it looks like. Also can turn it on here as well. I can, so this is it, and also you can see that the sign, it reads the signs. So it's quite cold here. It's already -11, and what we see here, let's take a look at the car's consumption. So I turn on the vehicle. So this is since the start, and we are doing some here downhills and uphills, and the road is not even, it's quite uneven, bumpy, and okay, so long term, this is how it looks like. 5.0 liter of diesel per 100 kilometers, and yeah, I have refueled quite recently, so the car is doing pretty well. During the summertime, it performs 4.2, 4.3 average diesel on 100 kilometers. So basically, I'm really happy with this car. It's really doing good job. It has a lot of assistance, which I will show you soon. There is a traffic, okay. Oh, yeah, the sand and stones. So let's take a look at some of the, so this is another views. Yeah, I have disabled some. So here's lane assistance. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, let's turn on here. It will show you all assistances. So yeah, we can see some footprints. They are still visible, but not so bad. So these are the assistances: the front assist, the back assist. So and they are very nice. They are helping in many ways. Okay, so that's about assistances and what's on. So we have, since this is a diesel, we need to fill in the AdBlue, and last time when I bought it, it showed around 20,000 kilometers of I can use it without filling, and I've driven this car almost 10,000 kilometers. You can see below next to the speed, digital speed on dashboard. So this car is pretty comfortable, and as you can see, the temperature is quite low, and it's still doing quite well. The average will be keep dropping. So yeah, about this car, so it has also, let's turn the climate, and here's the option to warm the screen. the windshield, the front windshield. So air conditioner, something air care. Let's turn it on. So this is how it looks like. So okay, now we're entering the city, and the sign, okay, I'm not sure if there was a sign. So as you can see, it reads a lot of signs. So this is how it looks, the car from the by the way, so this is the heating for the seats on the both sides, the temperature regulator on the both sides, and also we have the wheel heating. So once I turn it on, the wheel will start to heat, and it takes around you know, not so fast, but I think around 12, maybe 15 seconds, up to 15, let's say, better when I say 15 seconds, when you start to feel the heat. So this is how it does, and it shows here. So what else? I will show the car from the outside in the next video. Okay, so let's take a look a little bit from the back. That's how it looks like. So now we are doing a test drive with a fuel consumption on this area. I will turn the heating off. You need to, like, okay, oh, now it's okay. So this is how we do. We are driving safe speed, and this is the mark, red mark, which shows the sign speed. So I can drive up to 90 kilometers per hour, but it's not you know, it's not advisable. The road, you can see, it's really, in Lithuania, it's slippery. I'm using very good tires, but since I'm filming, I will not do my best here. So just driving average 80 kilometers per hour. So this is how the winter looks like. Not the winter, the March. You know, the end of winter looks like here in Lithuania, the sun. So I'm really happy. So guys, probably I will turn off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep to the next video. I will put more stuff and the look from the outside. So peace out.